This is an invisible selfie stick, a power bank and a camera remote all in one, so let's get straight to it and take a look. What I was really surprised about when I first saw this stick, considering all the things that it can do, was just how compact it was.
If you compare it to the original Insta360 selfie stick, it's not massively bigger when it's closed, only 5 centimeters longer and marginally thicker. As you'd expect, it is heavier at 280 grams than a normal selfie stick, but the longer length distributes the weight really evenly and it doesn't feel heavy in your hand. And it's got a really soft rubberized coating which feels nice to hold and it gives it added grip. In closed position it's 33 centimeters, so 13 inches long, and it opens up using the same friction design that we've seen in previous Insta360 selfie sticks, so it holds in position under friction at any length. And this stick opens to 100 centimeters, so 39 inches long. At the top of the stick there's a newly designed 1/4 inch thread attachment, so you have a thin rectangular base with a protruding thread and then a circular knurled thumb turn knob to tighten the camera to the stick. And this new design is to allow space for 2 USB-C sockets at the top of the stick to power and communicate with your camera. And there's also a soft rubber on top which allows you to tighten the camera more securely than you would if you were using a standard selfie stick thread. And I'd like to see this new design on more selfie sticks to prevent the camera coming loose when it's mounted. The power bank built into this power stick is rated at 4,500 mAh, so you can at least double your record time when you're using this with your camera. To use the power stick, at first you simply charge the power stick itself via the USB-C socket at the bottom of the stick. Once charged, mount your camera in the normal way and then take the included short USB-C to USB-C cable and plug one end into the top of the stick and one end into the camera. And there's a socket either side, so it doesn't matter which side your USB-C socket is on your camera. The cable is short and the camera mounting base is very narrow, so both will stay within the camera stitch line and will be invisible in your final shot, along with the stick itself. You have 3 buttons on the power stick. A battery status button which lights up 3 LED lights on the handle, and there's a power on button which powers on and off your camera when you push and hold, but also with a quick press it changes the camera mode from photo, video and time lapse. And of course you have the shutter button so you can start and stop recording or take a photo. And the buttons feel really nice to press and there's a definite click on each one and they all respond instantly.
When the selfie stick's at full extension like this, it's actually really convenient to have the start and stop right in the palm of your hand. This means I don't have to keep resetting the selfie stick and bringing it in and putting it out again in order to start and stop. I can keep it at full extension and start and stop whenever I want and just carry on walking. The design of the power stick and its features are mainly aimed at handheld walking shots. But there's also a 1/4 inch thread on the base so you can attach a tripod and get photos and videos that way as well.
I've used a number of power grips, but all of them are quite thick in your hand and you have to add an additional selfie stick to the power grip. And to have a selfie stick and a power grip all in one with a record button and all of which stays invisible is really impressive. And if you want to find more cool accessories for your 360 camera, you'll want to watch these videos next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.